Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello, I'm Sakshi Gaikwad from third year of Computer Diploma in Zeal Education Society. Our project name is Write a Python program to find maximum and minimum value in a set. Our group members' names are Sakshi Gaikwad, Shobhani Jana, and Tejaswi Nalawade. Our guide names are Jadhav ma'am and Kute ma'am. Project content, project abstract, introduction of project, main content, Python features, flowchart, actual diagram, result and decision, and conclusion. First point, project abstract. Python list can hold item of any data. We can access any item by using index. The index start at 0. In the following program, we will explain how to find the maximum and minimum numbers in a list using loop. Using a for loop, we will reach each number and append them to list. And again using one more for loop, we will calculate the maximum and minimum numbers. Second point, introduction. Python include a number of built-in function. Global Python function that can be called from any Python code without importing additional module. Built-in function are useful when, for example, you want to determine if all or any the elements in a list. We will use the built-in function all, any, max and minimum number. Next style will be explained by Shobhani Jana.
Hello, I'm Shravani Jana. I will be explaining the main content of our project, Python maximum and minimum in a set. In this article, we will learn how to get the maximum and minimum elements in a set in Python using the built-in functions of Python. How to find minimum and maximum numbers in Python. Python program to find the minimum and maximum number in a list with their position using for loop and if statement. Python program to find the largest and smallest number in a list using sort method. Python program to find the positions of minimum and maximum elements of a list using min function and max function. Next. How to get maximum and minimum elements in a set in Python. We will learn how to get the maximum and minimum elements in a set Python using the built-in functions of Python. Recommended, please get your approach on IDE first before moving on the solution. The built-in functions maximum function in Python is used to get the maximum of all the elements in a set. What is max in Python? Max function in a set. The built-in function max function in Python is used to get the maximum of all the elements in a set. How to get maximum and minimum values in dictionary in Python. Write a Python program to get the maximum and minimum value in a dictionary. The following tools visualize what the computer is doing step by step as it executes the said program. Next slide will be explained by Tejaswi Nalawade.
Hello, I'm Tejaswi Nalawade. I'm explaining the Python features. 1. Free and open source, object-oriented language, GUI programming support, interpreted language, high-level language. Python is portable language, easy to code. Next. This is our project result and discussion. Next. This is our project flow chart. Next. Actual maximum and minimum number actual diagram. A sequence of numbers. Next. Conclusion. In this tutorial, you use the Python built-in functions, all, any, max and min. You can learn more about the functions all any max and min and other Python built in the Python docs. For more information on other Python built-ins, you can also check out builds in Python, 3 functions for working with numbers, how to use the Python map functions, and how to use the Python filter function. Next. Thank you.